physically fit, very strong, but my guys really got to the task. So we took the day. Not a bad game.
And what about the World Cup forecast?
Yeah, that's our purpose of coming to Poland. You know, we are here to play from the beginning to the end. We are here to fight to win. We've come as not a pushover, we've come to contest for the trophy. So, but one game at a time.
And did you expect today match will finish like this?
Yeah, the mentality on my guys is that we must try and win every game. So they did well, but we lost a lot of scoring chances. So we got to work on it. But not bad. Yeah, the Polish team is also good. Tactically, they are sound. But like what I said, we had to push extra and we got the results.
And about this city, how do you feel about this city? It was good.
Wonderful, wonderful. You know, it's a good city. Telling you, we're enjoying ourselves, we're enjoying our stay.
And the pitch?
The pitch, good.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.